In the harsh desert, where survival is the only rule, two of nature's most dangerous predators meet in a deadly confrontation. The giant centipede, fast and aggressive, faces the heavily armored scorpion armed with a powerful venomous sting. Both are expert hunters, and both are prepared to fight until the very end. The centipede moves with incredible speed, searching for a weakness, while the scorpion waits patiently for the perfect moment to strike. In this thrilling battle between speed and strength, attack and defense, there is no room for mistakes. Who will emerge victorious, and who will become the other's next meal? Watch until the end to discover the outcome of this incredible showdown between two of the desert's most feared creatures.